Unity System Solutions. Intel Core i5-12450H8 core, 12M cache, up to 4.40 Hz. NVIDIA RTX 2054GB GDDR6, TGP70W. RAM 16GB DDR5 5200 MHz. 512GB SSD NVMe GEN4. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen2, 10 gigabits per second. Electronic e-shutter switch. Ethernet, RJ45. USB-A 3.2 General 1, 5 gigabits per second. HDMI 2.1. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. DisplayPort 1.4, 140W power delivery. Power in. Headphone, mic combo. Greatness on display. Elevate your gaming experience on a 15.6 inches FHD display. Your games will come to life with a lightning-fast 144 Hz refresh rate, lifelike colors, and a bright 350 nit screen. Plus, DC dimming ensures low power consumption, helping extend battery life for those long gaming sessions on the go. Unlock your ultimate typing and gaming potential with the Lenovo LOQ keyboard. With classic tactile touch feel and 1.5mm key travel, you'll enjoy lightning-fast actuation and 100% anti-ghosting for unmatched accuracy. The full-sized arrow keys and number pad help you stay in control in any scenario. Play hard, run quiet. Move in silence and game loud with Lenovo LOQ's Whisper Quiet thermal solution. Its innovative design includes up to 4 heat pipes, dual 85mm 12 volts high-speed fans, 28.6% larger air intake, and 24% larger outlet vents. With generous ventilation and up to 135 WTDP, your gaming rig will stay cool and quiet even in public areas or library quiet zones. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without drawing unwanted attention. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 laptop sports a rugged, practical, sleek design and a signature gaming rear I/O dashboard. It comes with a wide array of ports for easy access and a clean look. Available in Storm Grey with a built-in 1080p FHD camera sporting an ePrivacy shutter for greater privacy. Built to strict MIL STD 810H US military grade standards for ultimate durability, this laptop is as tough as the characters you play as. Secure the Lenovo Vantage. Lenovo Vantage helps you optimize settings to elevate your gaming experience. You can adjust, customize, and maximize your laptop's capabilities through our all-in-one suite of tools. With our real-time performance dashboard, overclocking controls, and eye-performance tuning with intelligent fan controls, nothing stands in the way of your success. Upgrade your gaming experience with limitless expandability on the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 laptop. With up to 16GB of DDR5 memory and 1TB of PCIe Gen 4 storage, you can switch between gaming, streaming, and creating without any lag or slow boot-up times. Plus, with 2 SSD slots and an open M.2 slot, you can easily add a second drive for even more storage. No need to delete your favorite games anymore.